Fairy tales promised us a happily ever after, but nobody warned us how expensive life would become. Nobody told us growing up would feel like survival. Because now, people don't just wake up thinking about love anymore. They wake up thinking about bills, pressure, responsibility, the future. And slowly, without even realizing it, this generation changed. People stopped dreaming about soulmates first. Now they dream about stability, peace, money. Not because everybody is greedy, but because struggling changes you. Being broke changes the way you think, the way you sleep, the way you talk, even the way you love people. You start calculating everything, every opportunity, every risk, every small amount in your bank account. And the worst part? Nobody sees the mental pressure. People only see laziness from the outside, but they don't see the nights your mind refuses to rest, the overthinking, the fear of wasting your life, the panic of feeling left behind while everybody online looks successful. That pressure is slowly shaping this generation into survival mode. And survival mode is dangerous. Because when you stay there too long, you stop enjoying life. You stop feeling present. You stop celebrating small moments. Everything becomes about making it. Money starts feeling like safety, like protection, like oxygen. You tell yourself, once I make enough money, then I'll relax. Once I succeed, then I'll be happy. Once I escape this struggle, then life can finally begin. But the chase never really stops. And honestly, a lot of young people are exhausted. Not physically, mentally. Tired of trying to become somebody before time runs out. Tired of acting strong. Tired of carrying dreams too heavy for their age. Some people are only 19, 20, 22, and already feel like life is testing them every single day. That's why this generation looks emotionally distant sometimes. It's hard to be soft when life keeps teaching you survival first. And maybe that's why love feels different now too. People are scared. Scared of depending on someone. Scared of being abandoned. Scared of building dreams with empty pockets. Because reality is loud. Love sounds beautiful, but unpaid bills are loud too. And nobody really talks about that part. Nobody talks about how financial stress can quietly destroy confidence, how it can make someone feel unworthy, how it can make sleep disappear at 2 a.m. So no, this generation isn't heartless, it's overwhelmed. Some people don't even want luxury anymore. They just want peace, to buy food without calculating everything, to help their parents financially, to stop feeling embarrassed about money, to sleep without anxiety, to breathe without pressure sitting on their chest. That's the real dream now. Not private jets, not designer clothes, just freedom. And honestly, that changes the meaning of happily ever after. Because somewhere along the way, people realized happiness without stability feels fragile. So the dream changed. Happily ever after became wealthy ever after. But here's the scary part. If you're not careful, you can spend your whole life chasing money so hard that you forget why you wanted it in the first place. Money is important, very important. But peace matters too. God matters too. Your mind matters too. Because a wealthy life without peace is still an empty life. And maybe the real goal isn't choosing happiness or wealth. Maybe it's building a life where both can exist together. A life where you're financially free, mentally calm, and still human inside. That's the version of success nobody teaches enough.